Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Kingswood today. Didn't find very much that I was willing to pay for today. Did find this one. I may even have done one of these before. I've got quite a few of them in stock for my grandsons to put together when they get bored. But I think I'll do this one. I do like them. You don't need any glue or anything. You just need to follow the instructions and clip them together. Having said that, 2 wheels. Oh yeah, that's all right. Those are the front wheels, which just freewheel, and those are the back wheels. And that's it. So we'll see if we can follow the instructions. If you follow the instructions word for word, it all works with no trouble at all. I have a problem that I usually miss a step or something, and then it gets a little bit confusing. First of all, we have 2 pieces. This is A, this is B. So you have to refer to that to find out where the pieces are. So first we want B1, B2 and B2. This is B1. You will also find there's a little clip somewhere, a little piece of plastic, which is useful for pushing all the lugs out, which I usually don't spot until the very end. I'm not seeing it. Maybe there isn't one in this set. No, I'm not seeing it. All right, well, we'll carry on. B2, that one, and that one. So these go, and so this is where you normally have a little thing for pushing the little bits out. Come on, eyesight. I think that was the only piece to come out. Okay, so one of the B2 pieces goes in there, like that. The other B2 piece goes in the end here, like that. Fully home. This one that way round. It's going to sit there. Now we need B3. B3 is this piece. I think whoever designs these must be brilliant. Be able to work this all out. I've no doubt there's some computer program app that does the calculations for you. All right, now we want A4. So this is A. That way up, that is 4. A4 goes on that side. So where does that go? Right down the front there? No, it's got to be... Oh, I see. Right, that's going to go over there. Is it? Am I right? Is that going over there? They don't show you. Why don't they show you? No, that doesn't go over there. Are there any pieces that need popping out? I can't see. That's got a big piece that pops out. That's A5. Ah, I'm misunderstanding. See, I told you I get confused. I'm sure there ought to be a little piece that pops out in there, but I can't see it. I'm trying to get the light to shine on it. No, there isn't. Well, that goes on this side. I was trying to put it on the other side. Right, that's better. That goes on there, and then this one definitely goes on there, because it goes over there. Problem is I see where things go and I jump ahead when I shouldn't do. Yeah, because I shouldn't have put that piece on there yet. I should have done all these. Oh no, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, oh, I am all right. I am all right. Ignore me panicking. So, holding it that way round, A6. A6 is that one. A6 goes there. Yep. A7 goes there. It's about now I look up and find that the camera's not recording or something like that, but I just looked and we seem to be okay at the moment. Okay. A6, A7, A8. A8 is the engine. A8's going to go there, but we need B9. B9, which is also the engine. That way round. Yeah, looks like it. It's going to slide into there. Yeah, little beauty. And B10. B10, hang on. I'm confused. B10, right. B10 is going to go on here. Get it the right way round. Yep. B10, A11. It's these sort of these bits. Okay. A12. That's the exhaust pipes. Do they point up or down? Up. Oops, let's push that forwards a bit, didn't mean to. What a little beauty this is. Okay. A12. So done all of that, I think. Right. Front suspension is B13. Yeah, B13. And A14 is the wheels. What's that piece? 16. All right, we're in order. 14, 14. So some of these kits you get a little pokey bit for pushing these holes, these little bits out, but apparently not in this set. That's going to go over there. That's going to go over there. And there's some tiny little bits. B15. There they are. You can't see them because they're white against white. Okay, and then they are going to go on here. Okay, nearly there. B16, which is that piece, which has a hole in the middle. A17 is that piece. I think I didn't even check, did I? A17, yes, it's that piece, which is going to go on there. And then finally, wheels on. Now I have in the past pushed these on so hard that I pushed them right through and stabbed my thumb. But that's gone on okay. What's going wrong there? Something's wrong. What's happened there? Doesn't even touch the floor. Push that up. Oh, I pushed it up. I did that. I pushed it up too hard when I was pushing the back on. Folded the whole thing up. Right, wind it up again. Right, we have a worker. Done. God, that's going to go on for ages. What a little beauty. Right, job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.